Merry Christmas. This is the time of the year that gives us all pause to cherish the moments that bring us together. Moments of joy and laughter, of family and friends, of that spirit of togetherness, of the values that bind us together, of peace, compassion, and the enduring hope that Christmas brings for Europe and the rest of the world. This Christmas, as our homes are filled with light, warmth, and laughter, we also reflect on what we can all do in our own way to bring that joy to others, to reach out to the lonely, the vulnerable, and the marginalized in our communities, to support those still fighting for freedoms we take too often for granted, to try to find that elusive peace, to help bring comfort to those who remain cold and hungry, to understand the obligation we all have to our collective humanity, and to live up to the enduring duty that the Christmas story has placed upon each one of us. May the light of Christmas keep piercing through the darkness, and may we allow this spirit to keep guiding us throughout the year ahead. I wish you and your loved ones a very Merry Christmas.